I got it stuck. I got it stuck.
Did I see that?
You gotta respawn to dominate. Here, just get in my truck. I'm just trying to... Let's see if we can... Mike, get in! Alright, rate this damage here. So currently, right now, guys, we currently have EF2 damage right now at the moment. EF2 at the moment right now. EF3. What about this big building here, there, Mike? Currently, right now, guys, we are damage surveying the damage in Hazleton.
Yeah.
Why is it not showing up on the map?
Which day is it?
Day 10.
Oh, day 10, day 10, day 10, day 10, day 10, day 10, day 10.
Tornado 3, but it doesn't show up.
Yeah.
They might have heard you on the video saying that.
We need to go save me. I think we need to go save me, bro. I'm switching teams towards emergency. She my little dang. Look at that trailer right there.
Oh!
It's just jumping. We got injuries.
Alright, guys, we're gonna have to do search and rescue for Nateville. Nateville just got hit directly by a violent tornado.
Why you gotta run in the gun? I just scooped your ass up. Oh, shit. She my little baddie.
Violent tornado hit Nateville. Not good, guys. There's a Wags tornado hitting Hazleton. Wags tornado. Injuries. So guys, we got a large tornado that just went through Nateville, as you guys can see. Trailer homes just completely thrown, the whole building and stuff, and we got a lot of injuries and fatalities. This ain't good, guys. Not good at all. We'll keep you guys posted on this dangerous situation. 2 more fatalities at this trailer park. We got a lot of fatalities surrounding this area, guys. This is a little trailer park, Nateville. This is a dangerous, violent tornado that hit Nateville, so we'll keep you guys posted on the next house that we go to save injured people or some fatalities. Large wedge tornado!
That one just hit Sneed too, and there's another tornado also hitting Hazleton and shit. She my little baddie.
Another injury right here, Mike. Sadly, guys, we got a fatality.
She my little dang. She my little baddie. She my little baddie. That's all this stuff on my head. You know, me and my kids from copyrighted.
This was a violent tornado for sure. And also, we gotta go to Sneed, because Sneed just got hit as well. Violent tornado.
Yeah.
R.I.P. Eric and Kenneth. And also the other person that... Another fatality over there. Not good, guys. Dangerous situation. 3 fatalities. And we're gonna also rate the damage as well, guys. So, we'll keep you guys posted on that as well.
George really got thrown out of the tornado.
R.I.P. R.I.P. to this man right here. Not good.
R.I.P. Brian over here.
We got 3 tornadoes on the ground. Oh, Hazleton or Trent's getting hit.
That's it. Oh, I see it. That makes the wedge. Wait, I'm getting that on the ground.
Large mega wedge tornado on the ground. And that tornado that just hit Nateville is also hitting something too, Mike. We have around 6 to 7 fatalities so far right now, guys. This ain't good for Nateville at all. A potential deadly tornado went through Nateville. A deadly tornado hitting Hazleton right now. This is not good, guys. Dangerous situation unfolding. Right now, guys, we're just surveying the damage right now. Currently, the tornado is rated EF3 with winds of 154 miles per hour, 6 deaths, and 28 injuries so far. And right now, we still got to go to Sneed and Chandler right now. So we're also going to do that as well. And we'll keep you guys posted on that. Oh my, this woman's stuck underneath the tree, guys. Not good. She definitely got her leg squished by that tree, so... Oh, she's walking fine. What the heck? Mike is currently chopping down a tree right now. And Mike, can you turn these sirens off?
Alright, I think we're done, right? Yeah, are we done with damage? Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, we are done. So we're gonna be off to Sneed now. So keep you guys posted once we get to Sneed. Alright guys, we are in Sneed right now and our vehicle just got stuck. We'll keep you guys posted. Alright guys, we got a tornado that hit Nateville as a EF3 with winds of 165 miles per hour. And currently there's 6 deaths with this tornado and 4 injuries. All the deaths were in Nateville, and also the tornado hit 2 other places here. I'll show you guys in 1 sec. It also hit Sneed, and now it also even hit Chandler as an EF2 and Sneed as an EF3. So yeah, this is not good. There was a long tracked violent tornado, as you guys can see. It also hit West Viroqua, almost hit Starbucks, so we keep you guys posted on this dangerous situation, but this survey's all done. It's been a high-end almost a high-end EF3 tornado with 165 miles per hour, close 5 miles per hour short from low-end EF4. So yeah, this was a deadly tornado. So, and the high-risk event I think is done because there's all hashtags for the code now. So yeah, have a great night, guys.